largely negative picture about BJP and PM Modi's prospects to expand from south of Vindhyas, The Guardian has written a story on the politics around Lok Sabha elections titled, "Can Modi finally win over the southern states and reshape India's electoral map?" The Guardian has branded BJP as a Hindu nationalist party and gives reasons for why the southern states will be tough to crack for the Saffron party. Amid all this, the article speaks highly of K. Annamalai, Tamil Nadu BJP chief, saying that he has created much excitement. Now we are going to present a few excerpts from this article which talks about how Annamalai built a cult-like status around him. Annamalai has created so much excitement. Annamalai steered clear of the overt religious themes and communal anti-Muslim rhetoric that has become increasingly prevalent at North Indian BJP rallies, even by Modi himself. His campaign team has worked to build an almost cult-like status around him. It is the larger-than-life characters who grab people's attention here. The buzz around Annamalai has certainly made the BJP more visible in Coimbatore than in the past decade. The article also talks about how Annamalai is trying to shake off the North Indian identity tag on the BJP, especially since the Tamil people have always viewed BJP as a party of the Hindi-speaking people. Here's another excerpt. Accusation that the BJP intended to impose a North Indian identity onto the state were ridiculous, he said, pointing out that he didn't even speak Hindi himself. "When I converse with our Honorable Prime Minister, I speak in English and he speaks English back to me." The Tamil Nadu BJP chief's future hangs in the balance, having thrown his hat in the ring to contest from the Coimbatore Lok Sabha constituency. He is faced with the prospect of delivering a massive jump in vote share and also winning a few seats for the BJP. If he delivers on one or both of the expectations, Annamalai could indeed develop a cult-like status in the state of Tamil Nadu and in national politics. I'm Deepthi Rao. You are watching India Today, South South.